area of trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into height into sum of parallel sides. Is it clear? So, number 2, formula of area of rhombus. We are having two formulas for area of rhombus. One is 1 by 2 into d1 into d2, where d1 and d2 are the diagonals of the rhombus, and one another formula is equal to psi into altitude. Clear? Next, third formula we have done, or area of, the formula will be equal to 1 by 2 into base into height, in which base is nothing else but this length if we are taking that height. Okay, so 6a square. Next formula, CSA, or we can call it as LSA. LSA of what figure? Cube. It is nothing else but 4a square. Will be volume CSA of cuboid. Niti, you also can speak it out.
Double of LB plus BH plus HL.
Very good. Are you able to understand this really well? Next is CSA or LSA. CSA is nothing else but the area of 4 walls. LSA of cuboid.
2L plus B
Double of
raised to H.
वेरी गुड. नीति ने उसको सही से प्रोनाउंस किया है. डबल ऑफ L plus B into H. This is how we can speak it out. Number 9, formula for volume.
LBH.
Whose volume you are telling?
Cuboid.
Yes. Volume of cuboid is equal to LBH. What is LBH? In all these formulas, L is nothing else but length of the cuboid, height, H is the height of the cuboid, and B is the breadth or width of the cuboid. Now let us just take the another TSA of cylinder. Cylinder की पहले मैं आपको फिगर शो करती हूँ. देखो, this is a 2D figure of 3D shape solid. This is what a cylinder looks like. So this is the height of the cylinder and this is the radius of the cylinder. So TSA will be including the area of one circle plus area of the another circle and CSA of cuboid. So this will be equal to 2
Pi R square plus 2 pi R H.
2 pi r into r plus h, or you can rewrite it as like 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. You can use both the ways, but this formula will you will need to do much calculation using this formula. If you want your calculation should be easy, then you should follow this one. This is nothing else बेटा, हमने कॉमन ही लिया है. नो डिफरेंट फॉर्मूला, दीज आर द सेम फॉर्मूलाज, बट इस तरीके से लिखते हैं तो हमारी कैलकुलेशन बहुत कम रह जाती है. सो 11th इज CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर. CSA का मतलब क्या होता है बताइए. ये गोल गोल वाला पार्ट हम सारा इसका ही एरिया काउंट करेंगे. हम वी विल नॉट इंक्लूड द टॉप एंड बॉटम. बॉटम पार्ट इंक्लूड नहीं करते हैं. तो फॉर्मूला वी कैन यूज टू फाइंड CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर इज 2 pi RH. So 12th formula is to find volume of cylinder.
Pi R square
Volume of cylinder is equal to base area into height. We can write this formula in the form of base area. This is very useful form, beta. Base area into height will be the volume of any figure, beta. Will be the volume of any figure. Okay. So all these formulas are very clear to you.